Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Techno Solution. And in this complete entire course, we are going to learn about the Linux practical lab. So after once completing this Linux practical lab, so we'll learn one by one all DevOps tools. To work on DevOps tools, the basic requirement is Linux. Okay, so we'll go through the all Linux topics in practical. So after doing this practical only, you will get a hands-on experience. So along with our lecture, follow over all the lectures, and along with that, do a practical yourself. And for practicing, we are going to provide all the materials. Okay, I will provide a GitHub repository link. In that, you can download all the materials from the repository and do yourself practically. Okay, so today in this lecture, we are going to see what all the topics for to complete this Linux entire practical lab. What all the topics we are going to cover. So today I will going to give the topic informations. Okay. Okay. I choose these all topics because these all topics are very important. If you like to work on administration level, Linux administration level, and if you want to work on DevOps tools, these all topics are important. So I choose all these topics, and we'll go through all the topics one by one. These two topics, introduction to Linux and Linux directory structure. The two topics based on the theoretical part, and once after completing these two topics, the remaining all topics, 15 topics will be based on the practical part. So each and every topic we will cover and we will do the practical. Okay. So we'll see the basic commands like a pwd command, ls command, cd command, how it will works. And we'll see the Vim editor and even nano editor also works same. So we'll go through all the commands of Vim editor, like deleting a particular row, deleting a bunch of rows at a time, and giving the number segment to the text file inside a Vim editor. These all Vim editor options we'll see in practical. And hard link, soft link. What is the hard link? What is the soft link? Okay, we'll see that. File compression and file extraction. So when sending a mail, compressing the file is very important, and we do that. How to do compression and how to share the mails, and how to extract the files like tar, gzip files. We'll see all these things. File compression like gunzip and bunzip file. Okay, how to compress the file. We'll see that one. Creating a users and creating a groups, adding a users to the group. Okay, these all things we'll see in this topic. About sudo users, what is the sudo user, and how to give a particular permission for a sudo user. Okay, creating the files, and giving permissions, creating a file or directory and giving a particular permission like a particular user is belongs to particular file, and we are giving a read permission to the particular user for this particular file. These all things we will see in this topic. And filter commands and IO redirection commands. In filter command like sed command, grep command, all the filter commands we will see in this topic. Server connection, that is SSH connection, like secure shell connection, how to connect one server to another server, and how to share files we will see in this topic. Package installation with depends on the distribution system. The package installation will differs. Like if you are working on a CentOS, there is YAML installation method we will use. If you are working on a Ubuntu system, they will use apt-get method. So how to install these various distribution system, how to install the package, we'll see that one. Web server and application server. What is the web server and what is application server? Okay, we'll see that, and we'll install packages and we'll deploy the packages in application server and web server. Okay, and package deployment after installing the servers, and how to do the package deployment with the different methods. We will see that one. ACL, that is access control list, giving a permission to particular user to particular group. Okay, we will see all the ACL commands. Cron tab, cron job, how to schedule the jobs. Okay, we will see how to schedule the jobs in cron job. Okay, these all topics we choose that because these all topics are very important. So we'll do all these topics one by one, practical. So today it's a introduction part, and tomorrow onwards, and so in next class onwards, we're going to cover all the topics with practical. Okay, I hope this video will going to helpful for you guys, and if follow all the lectures and videos. We'll meet in the next class. Thank you.